What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Cut. Welcome to the vlog, dog. What's up? Cheer, man. Welcome to another vlog, man. That's what we doing today, man. Cooking vlog for y'all. Courtesy of your boy. See that? Do my little spin around for y'all. Basically what we got the blueberry bagels, we got the eggs, got the cheese grits jumping off. I mean, y'all already know what that is. Yeah, you see that corned beef hash here. You know what that's hitting for. So, we can get right into this, alright? Bless this food. Got it, good. Got it, sweet. Alright. How y'all feeling out there, man? Y'all just tuning in, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Like, comment, all that good shit, you know what I mean? God bless everybody, man. Positive vibes only, man. I'm not feeding into no negative energy, you know what I mean? I got a daughter coming next month, so a lot of, devilish things is trying to come my way, but it can't pierce through the armor, you know what I mean? Nah, I won't allow it to, so you know what I mean? Get above me. What these eggs look like, you know what I mean? Cheer. Corned beef hash. I love me some corned beef hash. Probably eat that by like 2-3 times out the week, maybe. Amazing, look at them grits. I don't know where I get it from. I don't know. In case y'all didn't see the Dollar Tree haul we posted up, I got this from there. So it's gonna be washing this breakfast down with Tampico Blue Raspberry Punch. We're gonna check that out momentarily. So what's going on out there in the world, man? Besides this government shutdown and all that other nonsense. Well, yeah, that 21 Savage getting deported or whatever, that was crazy. I really thought he was from the A, the way they saying that he was there since he was a kid, but that's wild. I would never thought he was from the United Kingdom. He ain't the first rapper to be fronted by where he from, though. A lot of them be fronted. Hey, you look like claiming another block you ain't from. I thought it was funny the other day. We got a comment on I think the cookout mukbang, it's just amazing to me when people take time out of their day to say things like, I think the people who do this are disgusting or this or that, and mukbang, I never understand it. But you taking your time out of your day to sit here and watch. I know you don't watch it. And then you're going to type all these words and comment. Get your life. Find you some shit to do, alright? That's what I'm going to tell you. If you ain't interested in it, why even put energy into it? That's what I'm saying. Ain't giving no energy to nothing that's negative. You understand? I'm not going to do it. I could easily go off the deep end. It don't take much for me to snap, crackle, and pop on. You know what I mean? But I'm somewhere else with it right now, man. I'm on some grown man stuff, so pardon my back if you're coming to me with negatives. People keep my name in their mouth, you know what I mean? But what you expect, I'm something to talk about. So of course they're gonna talk about me, you know what I mean? Keep on talking, keep on talking. Make sure you're watching the videos while you're doing all the talking and stuff. Hit that like button and subscribe. Or hit the dislike button, it don't matter to me. As long as you're watching. Cause y'all know those views are adding up, so I appreciate you. Yup. That's how I feel about it, man. You know the vibe, you know what type of time I'm on. We ain't on the same type of time, obviously, you know what I mean? So y'all can miss me with it. Anyway though, what I want to say about people is everybody ain't got your best interest in the hand, man. That's what I want to say. People can say they want to see you doing good until you actually doing good. Then they start showing their true colors. You know what I mean?
Okay.
All I can do is keep it a buck with you. That's all I know how to do. Tekashi 6ix9ine snitching, cooperating with the feds, but who really surprised at that? I could have told y'all that from the jump. That nigga wasn't really about that shit. He just running with some niggas who think they hard body, and now look what happened. All the tough niggas I know 6 feet under, man, or they doing like 20 to 30. Real rap. Sleep in the buck. Put a smile on your face, man. Ain't that serious, that's what I'm saying. Them niggas out here mean mugging and all that, for what? Looking at another nigga, why? Cause he fresh and you ain't? Get your paper up, nigga. Damage control.
Give me that.
Go ahead and put all this together.
Give me that.
Yeah, we're gonna join. We're gonna join together. We are gathered here today. We are gathered here today to join these cheesy grits. It's corned beef hash. And this savory eggs. And holy matrimony. Let's check it out, why? You like that, don't you, Dad? Bye. You want to eat, don't you? You want to eat that? You want to eat that? Boy, you done ate like 3, 4 times. You want to eat? Oh, okay. Thought you wanted it. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all comment down below what y'all want to see me cook next. Or eat next, or whatever. I know y'all didn't actually see me get to cook this vlog, but at least you got to see me devour it. Ain't that right? Yeah, Daddy done ate all the Edie. It's gone. It's gone. Alright. Alright, y'all. That concludes this mukbang, man. Hope everybody has a blessed day, man. If you just tuned in, man, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Smash that like button. Spam it up in the comment section and all that. Share this video, alright? It's your boy Cut, King and T Game. We out of here.